Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechEmpty, and today we have something really exciting for you, the Apple Mac Mini M2. The Mac Mini M2 is a small yet powerful desktop computer that will change the way you work and enhance your productivity to a whole new level. We'll be unboxing the latest edition and providing some insights into its features and answering some of the frequently asked questions about this powerful device. Let's dive right in. The Apple Mac Mini M2 comes packaged in a compact, sleek and stylish box. Upon opening the box, you will find the Mac Mini itself, a power card and a welcome guide to help you set up your new device. On the back of your Mac Mini M2, you will find a power button, power socket, Ethernet port, two Thunderbolt ports, an HDMI port, two USB-A ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the front, there is a subtle indicator light to show when the device is powered on. You will also have a tiny speaker inside. Before we proceed with the setup process, let's take a quick look at the impressive features and specifications of the Mac Mini M2. Powered by the latest M2 chip with an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, up to 24 gigs of unified memory and 100 GB per second bandwidth, up to 8 TB of SSD storage for both personal and professional use, Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6E and Gigabit Ethernet connectivity options. Setting up your new Mac Mini M2 is incredibly simple. Follow these steps. Connect the power cord to the back of the Mac Mini and plug the other end into the electric socket. Connect the HDMI port to your monitor. Power up your Mac Mini and follow the on-screen instructions to configure your preferences. In just a few minutes, your Mac Mini M2 will be up and running, ready to tackle all your computing needs. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about the Mac Mini M2. Will the Mac Mini come with an M2 chip? Yes, the Mac Mini M2 features the latest generation M2 chip, offering a significant performance boost compared to its predecessor. Is the Mac Mini M2 faster than the M1? Absolutely. The Mac Mini M2 is significantly faster due to its advanced 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU. Can the Mac Mini M2 handle professional editing tasks? Yes, the Mac Mini M2 is equipped with advanced features that enable it to effectively manage professional audio and video editing tasks. What is the cost of the Mac Mini M2? The base model of the Mac Mini M2 is priced at 59,900 INR, where the top-end model will cost you around 1.2 lakh that comes with Pro chip. The Mac Mini M2 is an excellent computer with a powerful chipset that matches most desktops in terms of efficiency and effectiveness. The computer's compact form factor allows for greater versatility and flexibility in your workspace. The Mac Mini M2 is a perfect fit for anyone looking for a high-performance computer that can handle tasks ranging from professional to entertainment needs. Don't forget to check out our affiliated link in the description if you have decided to purchase one. If you have any further questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.